Welcome Aishwarya to the Gears channel and thank you so much for giving us some time. They say motorcycling is a man's world, but you here on the other side are creating waves. Tell us your journey and how has it been as an Indian rider, as a lady, and your experience throughout the entire journey, in short.
I think, yes, definitely motorsports or motorcycles is mostly considered a male-dominated thing, but I think over a period it's more about who has the passion for it the most over the gender, and I think that's what is different. And
That's really nice. Now, have you've been competing with a lot of men? What have been their response to see a lot of young lady riders? A few of you, I think you, Anna Mashim, to name a few, have been participating in the rallies that have been happening in India for the past year. It has been different. How has it been for you all competing with the rest of the India?
I think it's definitely nice. When I started, there were not a lot of women. I think over a period, since motorsports is very expensive, a lot of people come in and go. But it's definitely evolved from just one person on the grid to 15 women riding the one mix. I think it's evolving a lot.
That's absolutely wonderful. Now, TVS has been supporting you for a long time. How has TVS helped the lady riders? I see they're doing a lot.
Yes.
In the terms of motorsport, be it Dakar, be it track racing, be it your normal be it your normal road vehicles.
Yes.
Creating waves, how has been the experience with TVS?
It's definitely been amazing because I think TVS has been racing for 37 years and has been making the change in terms of how motorsports is in India. For me, especially, I think, or any rider for that matter, skill only brings you to a certain level. If you don't have the backing, you can't go any further. And I think that's where TVS Racing steps in and has given my career a boost in various forms. And they have also created the one-make platform, which I've also raced in, and I think they are bringing a lot more women in. And yeah, that's pretty much how they're making a difference in motorsports and in my life.
So we've seen you race both on track as well as off-road. I know it's difficult to pick which is better, which is your favorite, but how has been the experience from track to off-road?
Choosing between them is definitely difficult, but I think I love the exhilarating feeling when I'm on the bike, which is just amazing. I feel alive every time I'm on the bike, so which is why I go back racing in whatever form. But I definitely love rallies more right now because I think there's no room for any mistake and it's longer, and I think it puts both the man and the machine to test. So I picked rally.
That's been an amazing, really amazing session with you, Aishwarya. Thank you for joining us at the channel. A little things that you would say to the lady riders who are watching. We have a lot of them from Goa. And something to tell them on how to ride better, or maybe a little quote or a little bit of advice to the younger lady riders.
So when I started racing, I didn't really have anybody to look up to, but I aspire to inspire a lot more women to take up motorsports and look at it as a more serious thing. And also, I would say, if you really want to take up motorsports, don't let the naysayers stop you and follow your dream.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Aishwarya, for joining us. It's been a pleasure. Until then, ride safe.